How to fix Instagram music problem. So if you want to fix your Instagram music problem, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to go with your control center, and here you need to turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds and then again turn it off, and it might fix your issue. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is open up your Play Store or your App Store. From there, you need to go with search, and from search, you need to search for Instagram. After searching for Instagram, if you have any updates on your Instagram, just simply go and update it. After updating, the problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can open up your settings or just simply go with your Instagram, tap and hold on to your Instagram application, go with the app info section. Once you tap on the app info, it will take you to this kind of interface. You need to go with storage and cache and then go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, just simply go and restart your device or re-log in into your Instagram, and this will fix your problem. That's how you can fix your Instagram music problem or story, reel, and post. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.